Nasa, o doon nga, mukot ko sa kong kwarta, guniti sa nibi. Tulo daw.
Taas na tayo, oh.
Suko pa yung kayong konduktor. Yan ang konduktor. So, maroon mo kayo ni. Iya pa yung gigunita ng cute. Di mo konduktor.
Pag-ingon na nga. O, guniti sa ni, o, itas plima, ningon ng konduktor nga. Ay, ayaw na lang bayad nang, libre na lang. Ningon na yung mantigulang. Ay, salamat! Ay, salamat!
Cute kayo.
Di gunitan, pag-inang daw kabutan.
Punas pa.
Sus kay, non-stop man to, badong tagom. Kalbang mo naman dyan kaayo to si Manang. Yun sa doon. Ihunong sa kadiyot bing ng driver kay kalipang mo na kay ko. Sa susnang di yun eh.
Ako na, ah.
10-4. Ano nga. Sus.
Ayan.
Kuhan sa break.
Yeah.
Oh, napo na sa Monaco. Maligya ina.
Ay, sarado.
Wow.
Ay, yun. Baka may ano lang dyan.
Ay,
Apple farmer.
apple cider.
Apple cider. Gusto yung tikman?
Yeah,
Ay,
of course.
parang meron doon.
Tuloy tayo. Piti tayo.
Standby sa
Bye-bye,
standby.
bye. Ano? Baba na? Ito yung binibinta nila dito sa daan. Mga apple cider. Walang... Pero wala silang kuhan dyan, no? Wala silang cashier, no? So, saan mo magbayad?
Pero,
Ah.
honesty store.
Lagi, saan ka magbayad? Kuhan lang, by credit card lang. Credit card lang palang bayad dito. Dito, tsaka may calculator dito.
Ito nga, ako ano ni. One.
So, binigyan tayo ng pagkakataon with the farmer or with the owner of the farmer. Yeah. So this is cherries, right?
This is sweet cherries.
Wow. So how do you maintain? I don't know how to speak. Yeah. So binigyan tayo. Yeah. Very fresh from the farm. I'm gonna eat this.
I take a picture. This is also the same, but with fruit.
Now we have harvest finished.
Half finished.
So how old is this? How old?
This is about 5 years.
5 years?
These three, yeah.
So how many years it will bear fruits from
How
planting?
How long they can last?
No, from plant to
Start after 3-4 years, but not full before the 5-6.
5-6 is the full.
Or maybe a little bit long.
So this is now the 5 years, and that's why.
They are still. They will give more. So maybe 7 years.
Yeah. And the other one is what trees is that?
Cherry, but this we have picked it.
Oh, so it's sort of finished. So you have like area to harvest one area harvest and then
Yeah,
this one.
because I need different. Some are ready early, some are middle, and some late. So I
Ah.
have fruit for
Yeah.
my market, my shop.
So until what day it is finished?
I'm not sure about the day, but this year is early, so maybe middle of August,
So-
20 August, something like that.
So they are
Depend on the
finished.
weather. If it's
And-
cold, it takes longer.
And the other one is already finished too.
That's finished. Then
Okay.
take away the plastic. The plastic protects it against rain.
The plastic.
24 hours with rain, it's everything destroyed. So it's very risky.
How about the
business.
birds?
No, that's to eat, but I have had
But,
this.
because of the rain, mostly.
This is for the rain.
Yeah. During winter, they are they don't have leaves. The leaves fall.
The leaves fall in autumn,
Oh no, autumn.
and then they rest.
Okay, the rest. And then summer they
wake
come
up
back.
again in the spring.
It's the spring.
April.
And then they bear fruits again on the summer. Right, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I would interview with our.
Soon the plums start, and then apple later. The apple in September, October.
Where's the area of your plum?
I don't have plum here. It's far from here.
Okay. It's only cherries are close here. Yeah, cherry and apple. So, good chance. Bigyan tayo ng chance.
his daughter. Is it your daughter?
Ito yung farm area nila. So, yun ang mga tanim nila. Napakaganda at saka ganda.
Sure? Or if you want, we could pay, but
Ang ganda yung farm nila, area nila. Yan. Puro farm yan. At saka dito lang nila binibinta sa daan.
i-beeps lang name or
Tsaka ang bayad dito, walang tao. Honesty store lang siya. Tsaka yun ang mga bahay ng mga farmer. Tsaka yun. Ayan o.
That is also apple juice. Apple mousse. So they
Ayun
crush
po.
the apple.
Oh, that's a taster?
Yeah,
So we're gonna try. So walang tindera dito. Kaya bayad dito by ito lang yung ano. Bayad mo. Ito yung Oda Farm dito sa Norway. Ang ganda tingnan. Usually ito yung area ng mga farmers. Mayroon silang binibinta sa daan lang na binibinta. Yung mga bahay ng mga farmers dito. Sabi na daan. Yan yung mga apple. Yung mga bahay. Ang ganda ng lugar. Ito yung kuha natin. Ito? May plum din ito.
Apple cider.
Apple cider. Yan. Apple.
One called Apple Center.
Ayun ang mga farm area. So ito yung mga farm area. Yung ang farm. Tsaka yung may-ari is napakabait. Pinagbigyan tayo. Na-interview natin kaunti. Hindi lang ako makabuelo kasi kaya tayo.
Norwegian mo sana
mabait
yun.
naman. Mabait naman. So yan yung mga land or farm area.
Yan, marami plastic. May bunga yan.
Oh, yeah. Para daw sa rain, para hindi masira ng rain. Yung may mga plastic, pinabalot nila para hindi masira sa rain.